Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार माझे cooking channelaचे. So today I am going to show you a quick and instant mango pickle. So what you need is only Kashmiri chili powder and little bit of mustard seeds, pinch of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Okay, these are the things, and fenugreek seeds is always good to add. So basically very few ingredients. Main is Kashmiri chili powder for this pickle and other what I have told. So I am going to take this 2.5. Yesterday I had used this for something, so I will chop this into fine. It is Miskut, Goan Miskut, like instant Miskut. Now this is not going to be kept or stored or something. Now I will be eating this right away after making it for my lunch. So that's why it is called instant. ओके, तर हांव आयज तुमकां दाखोवपाचें आहा आमच्या घरांत जे आमी गोंयकाराच्या घरांनी कोत्तात जे पिक्कल आमी इल्लेशे पासून कोत्तात. एक आंबो हाडटली, फास्ट कातुतली आनी तेजे उपरांत आमी तितून मिरसांगेचो पावडर घालतली आनी तेल गरम करून राय घालून ताका फोडणी दितली. सो दॅट ओन्ली तेंच हांव आयज दाखयतां ह्या म्हाज्या व्हिडिओचेर. नाव वॉट वी नीड इज सॉल्ट. सी आय हॅव चॉप्ड or cut it very fine, okay, depending how you want you'll do. And this I have left like this only. So now we'll add salt to taste. So for this approx you need 2 to 3 teaspoon of salt, and we'll add our chili powder. So around 3 to 4 tablespoon of Kashmiri homemade chili powder. You can use ready-made also. Then we need little bit of sugar to this. Now this is instant pickle where you can make and just eat it. Then we need half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, now we'll mix this. If you want to add more chili powder, you can add more chili powder. If you want to add Kashmiri, this what is that, degi, that is spicy chili powder, then you can add that also. So I am adding 1 more tablespoon for this. And mix this. Chalo, now let's go to our gas and make our oil, and then you have to give a tadka. So you need yellow mustard seeds, then 1 teaspoon of hing, that is asafida, few of this fenugreek seeds, and let's start. So this is 1 cup of mustard oil. So I will add this methi in this. And our mustard seeds, I will put 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, yellow color. Then I will add our hing powder, curry leaves. Curry leaves is your optional choice. If you want, you do, or it's okay, it's optional. I like the flavor, that aroma of curry leaves in the pickle. So once this gets fluttered, and now we'll add our curry leaves. Okay, and we'll add here and our instant pickle is ready. Mix this nicely and it is ready to eat directly. Hope you all will enjoy this instant. Like now we will be having lunch and we are going to eat this for our lunch. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this instant mango pickle. I just love mangoes. I keep on making. मानतात तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटले आनी बरें लागतले आनी जेन्ना करीपत्ता घातलेले आनी तेन्ना तेल मातशें हें भायर सरलें नो प्रॉब्लम. डोंट वरी, साफ करून घेवया गॅस मागीर. ओके, थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. And here is our pickle ready to eat. Okay, directly you can eat this and enjoy with dal rice or plain saurak, whatever. Hope you all will all enjoy this. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटलें हें पिकल जें जावन आसा इन्स्टंट क्विक आनी कांय सुबेज मसालो ना, फकत कश्मीरी चिली पावडर घालून केला. दॅट्स इट. आनी इल्लोसो हळदीचो पिठो. मानता तुमकां आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. थँक्यू. And here is our instant mango pickle is ready. Just make it and eat it. हे जावन आसा आमचें इन्स्टंट म्हणजे झटपट मँगो पिकल, मँगो मिस्कूट जी करपाची आनी सोमतेच खावपाची. बांदता तुमकां सगळ्यांक आवडटली ही झटपट मँगो मिस्कूट or mango pickle. Thank you.